Breaking, these are the 20 richest black people in the world according to Forbes. At number 20, sitting gallantly is Steve Masiyiwa. He's from Zimbabwe, is into telecoms, and his net worth is $1.2 billion. At number 19 is LeBron James. Is in USA, a basketballer. His net worth is $1.3 billion. At number 18 is Mohammed Ibrahim. He's in United Kingdom. Of course, his business is communications, and his net worth is $1.3 billion. Number 17 is Rihanna. Rihanna, the musician. Oh, yeah? So she's from Barbados. Her business is music and cosmetics. Her net worth is $1.4 billion. Of course, at number 16 is Tiger Woods. Tiger Woods is in USA, and of course, he's a golf player. His net worth is $1.4 billion. At number 15 is Tyler Perry. Tyler Perry is in USA. He's into movies, of course, a TV personality. His net worth is also $1.4 billion. And of course, at number 14 is Tope Awotona. He's in USA, and of course, his business is software. He's into software, and he's in USA, but he's a Nigerian. His net worth is also $1.4 billion. And of course, at number 13 is Femi Otedola. He's a Nigerian, he's into energy and utilities, and his net worth is $1.5 billion. At number 12 is Magic Johnson. He's from USA. He's a basketballer, and he's into also investments. His net worth is also $1.5 billion. At number 11 is Adebayo Ogunlesi. He's a Nigerian into private equity. His net worth is $2.2 billion. Number 10 is Jay-Z. Jay-Z, the musician. And of course, he's in USA. He's into music. His net worth is $2.5 billion. That woman, one iron bender woman. So at number 9 is Oprah Winfrey. She's in USA. She's into TV shows. Her net worth is $3 billion. At number 8 is Patrice Motsepe. He's a South African and he's into mining. His net worth is $3 billion. All right, so at number 7 is Michael Jordan. He's in USA. He's into Onyx endorsements, and his net worth is $3.5 billion. At number 6 is Abdul Salam Rabiu. He's a Nigerian and he's into manufacturing of cement and sugar. His net worth is $5.1 billion. At number 5 is Mike Adenuga, a Nigerian businessman into telecommunications. His net worth is $6.8 billion. At number 4 is Alexander Karp. He's in USA and he's into software, okay? His net worth is $8.4 billion. At number 3 is Robert F. Smith. He's in USA, and of course, he's into private equity. His net worth is $10.8 billion. At number 2 is David Stewart. He's in USA, and he's an IT service provider. His net worth is $11.4 billion. At number 1, everybody, maybe we should do a standing ovation, is Aliko Dangote. He's a Nigerian and is into cement and sugar manufacturing. His net worth is $23.9 billion. Wow, oh, amazing. These are the richest. Yeah, so these are the 20 richest black people in the world. But my question to Forbes is this: what happened to the Igbo guys that are doing well in business? Where are the Igbo billionaires, for God's sake? What happened to the Obi Kubana of this world, the Kubana chief priest of this world, the B Lord of this world, the E Money of this world, the Atezenupo of this world? What's going on? See, Forbes, something is fishy. You people have to go back and check this record. Check it properly and get back to us. All right, something actually interrupted my video, so I have to do this. Now that you've watched the video, do you agree with Forbes? Do you think there are names that are supposed to be in number 10, number 5 or something? Please go ahead and write it in the comments. Don't forget to smash the like button, favorite this video, repost it, and share it with all your contacts. Let it go viral. All right. Okay, so this is what I'm going to peg it today until I come your way some other time. See you at the top because the ground is way too crowded. Bye-bye.